Have you ever thought about how different your life could look in just 1 year? Not 10 years. Not some sci-fi 2050 timeline. I'm talking 2026, the year your job, your money, your privacy, and even your city might quietly get an upgrade, or a serious shock. Because the tech that's coming isn't just cool gadgets. It's the kind that changes who has power, who makes money, and who gets left behind. Stay with me for the next few minutes, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly which technologies you should be watching, and which ones you should be using before everyone else catches up. Let's start with the most important shift. We're moving from AI tools to AI agents. Right now, you ask AI to do things. In 2026, AI will start doing things on its own once you give it a goal. Imagine saying, plan my content for next month, draft the posts, schedule them, and send me a summary every Friday. And the AI just runs that system in the background. No Zapier spaghetti, no 100 tabs open, just agents acting like digital employees. If your job is basically follow steps in a process, an AI agent will either become your assistant or your replacement. Which side of that do you want to be on? Tech trend number 2, AI native apps. We're not just bolting AI onto old software anymore. New platforms are being built from scratch around AI, where the UI is lighter, and the heavy lifting is done by models behind the scenes. Translation, fewer buttons. Morph, tell the system what you want, and it builds it. For non-coders, this is huge. If you can describe a workflow, you'll be able to design products, not just use them. In 2026, the real skill won't be coding, it'll be knowing what to build and how to explain it to an AI clearly. Next up, Edge AI, AI running close to where data is generated. Think, cameras that detect safety risks in real time. Sensors in factories that fix problems before machines fail. Cars, shops, even farms making instant decisions without waiting for the cloud. This means faster, more responsive systems, and a lot more data being collected about everything you do. Your city, your office, even your neighborhood could quietly turn into a smart environment. The question is, will it feel helpful or creepy? You'll hear a lot more about quantum computing around 2026. No, it won't replace your laptop. But it will start solving very specific, insanely complex problems like optimization, materials, and cryptography. More importantly, if quantum keeps progressing, today's encryption methods won't be safe forever. That's why post-quantum security is becoming a serious topic. If governments and banks are worried enough to change how they encrypt data, maybe we should pay attention too, right? Here's a twist most people ignore: all this AI, cloud, and computing power eats energy. A lot of it. In 2026, expect to hear way more about energy-efficient chips, low-carbon data centers, and companies bragging about green AI. Not just because it's good PR, but because energy costs and regulations will force them to care. The next big tech advantage might not be who has the biggest model, but who can run it cheapest and cleanest. Let's talk immersive tech, AR, VR, and spatial computing. In 2026, it's less about clunky headsets for gamers and more about virtual workspaces, remote collaboration, training, design, and simulation. You might review a building design by literally walking through it virtually, or attend a meeting where your team is sitting around a digital table, even if everyone's at home. If Zoom calls made work remote, spatial computing will make it feel like you never left the office, even when you did. Now, a big one for trust, confidential computing. We already encrypt data when it's stored. We encrypt it when it's being sent. But what about when it's being used? That's where confidential computing comes in, keeping data protected even while apps and AI models are processing it. For industries like finance, healthcare, and government, this is a game changer. If someone told you your data is safe, except when we're actually using it, would you be okay with that? That's exactly what confidential computing is trying to fix. Cybersecurity is about to get way more AI-driven. Instead of waiting for an attack and then reacting, security systems will predict patterns, flag unusual behavior, and, in some cases, block attacks automatically. Add to that digital provenance, tracking who accessed what, when, and how. From AI-generated content to financial data, traceability becomes critical. In a world where anything can be faked, voice, video, emails, being able to prove what's real might be more valuable than the content itself. So what does all this mean for you and your career? Jobs won't just disappear, they'll reshape. Repetitive, rules-based work gets automated. What grows is work that requires judgment, creativity, domain expertise, and the ability to work with AI, not against it. You'll see new roles like AI workflow designer, agent orchestrator, AI safety and governance specialist. The most dangerous mindset in 2026 isn't AI will take my job, it's my job will never change. Okay, let's get practical. What should an average person actually do about all this? 3 simple moves. 1. Learn to talk to AI properly. Prompts, context, correction. It's a new literacy. 2. Pick one domain you care about: finance, health, education, cyber, content, and study how these tech trends affect that space. 3. Protect your data, understand privacy settings, consent, and basic digital hygiene. In 2026, people who ignore tech won't just miss out, they'll actively be at a disadvantage in money, opportunities, and even basic digital rights. We're heading into a decade where AI acts, not just answers. Computing goes quantum and green. Cities, companies, and even homes get smarter and more watched. You can't control everything that's coming, but you can control how early you understand it and how quickly you adapt. If you want more deep dives into these tech shifts with real-world examples, not just buzzwords, hit subscribe, drop a comment with the tech you're most curious or scared about, and share this with someone who still thinks all of this is too far future.